online training for you. As you all know, we have a new product, the 70 HIFU, which is also ultra formal. Many of you already received the machine, and now I'd like to supply the online training for you. Whether you have used the HIFU before or not, please watch this video, because the 70 HIFU is a new technology. The operation method is also different. So now let me show you how to use the new HIFU. Please watch this video. I believe it's useful for you. Before the 70 HIFU treatment, we need to ask the client to do the removal. Now the client has finished the removal. Let's start the treatment. First of all, we need to remark the treatment areas. First, we need to remark the forbidden area. For the 70 HIFU, the only forbidden area is the middle part of the face. So this part is forbidden. Nose is forbidden. And the double tips is also forbidden, because in these areas, the skin is thin and the nerve is sensitive here. Well, for other HIFU treatment, customers cannot do the temple for the mouth owner, but for the 70 HIFU, we can treat for these areas, because we have a special cartridge. It's the 2 mm. It can treat for the mouth area, for the temple. So it helps to do the whole face treatment. Many customers order the 70 HIFU because of this function. The second step is to draw lines on the treatment area. We use the 4.5 and 3 mm cartridge for the face, so we draw lines. So it's the treatment area according to these two cartridges. Some clients may ask why we draw the grids like this. Because this is the treatment area of the cartridge. So this is the lens, and this is the width. So energy will short out from this part. So we draw the lens according to the length and the width of the cartridge. It's the same way for the right face. Then we can start the treatment. First step is to spread the ultrasound gel. Then we need to choose the suitable cartridge for the treatment. For the face treatment, we use the 4.5 mm and the 3 mm cartridge. First use the 4.5 cartridge for a pass, and then use the 3 mm cartridge for the second pass, so it will reach to the best result. If your client is the first time to do the HIFU treatment, we suggest you to start from a lower energy. For example, we can start from 0.4 joules and then adjust the parameter according to the customer's feeling. Okay, now we start the treatment. Now I use the 4.5 for the first pass. Press the standby button on the screen interface. Then we can start the treatment. Press the start button on the cartridge. And then move to the next grid. When we are doing the treatment, we can use one hand to lift the skin. Then we use the 2mm cartridge, the special one, for the mouth corner of the temple treatment area. So this one avoids the disadvantage of the normal HIFU. It can help to treat for the whole face. Now let's start the treatment for the mouth corner. Okay, the same way, we can also treat for the eye area for this part, so it can remove the eye bags